How to sell recipe book on Etsy. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell recipe book on Etsy. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Etsy, you could also use my affiliate link below the description, where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Etsy, it is a global online marketplace that connects independent sellers with buyers looking for unique handmade, vintage, and creative goods, in which it has become a hub for artisans, crafters, and small businesses owners to showcase and sell their products ranging from jewelry, clothing, home decor, and art to digital download and craft supplies. Unlike mass market platforms, Etsy emphasizes originality, personalization, and craftsmanship, making it popular among shoppers seeking one-of-a-kind or custom-made items. So now to create an account, just click the sign in button on the top right or the link in the description below, where from here, you'll directed on this page. Now the next thing that we need to do is to simply look here, for example, a recipe book as a sample that will serve as our guide. Or alternatively, search cookbook right here. Now it will show us in here a variety of results. So all we need to do is to simply select here the kind of template, for example this one, which is it will show us in here upon clicking on it the result including the corresponding prices, the title or the name of this cookbook, and also the content in here. We have here a table of contents, a sample overview of it, and many more. It will show us in here also the number of pages, the item details on the right side panel, and also the seller ways to download or sell this one, which is with a PDF file. It will show us in here also some of the review with a 4.9/5, which is quite impressive for our review. Now moving on, in creating here a template like this one, we can use this platform called canva.com. All you need to do is simply sign in your account and go to the template section on the left side panel. And from here, just search, for example, on the search bar, cookbook. Upon searching on it, you will be able to see here all of the results, in which some of these offer for free, while some of it need to have an upgrade account to access or use the template. So at this point, I'm just going to simply select here, since I've already had a pro or premium account in here. I'm going to choose this one as an example. So upon clicking this one right here, just click customize this template. By doing so, you'll automatically be directed on the next tab, where you can start customizing in here the Canva template. We have here our title page, the introduction, table of contents, and even some of the sample of dishes. So we can start by clicking any of the elements in here, including the text, the media files that we want to customize, and many more. For instance, this one in here, instead of the introduction, I'm going to add under the design section on the left side panel another kind of recipe. So just go to search bar in here on the design and click recipe, and it will show us in here the result. For instance, in here, this chicken quinoa bowl recipe. You can also customizing it, for instance, the ingredients by clicking on it, or even the images it contained. So let's say we're going to start by customizing the name of this recipe. Instead of chicken quinoa bowl, I'm going to enter here a Caesar salad in here, which is a recipe for a kind of salad. Now, after that, we're going to also change the images it contained below. So go to the element section on the left side panel and search for Caesar salad. But you can also upload on your own by clicking the upload button. Under the photos, just simply select here or choose which kind of images you want to add or replace the current one. You can simply drag it down or drag it directly to the image to simply replace it. So in here, we're going to simply click this one as an example, and it will show you the result, which is this one. But at this point, I'm just going to simply click here or choose this one. As you can see, it is now currently being replaced. Then you could also do or customize the ingredients instead of these ingredients for the previous recipe, and even the instruction, the preparation time in here. You can choose, instead of 10 minutes, I'm going to enter, for example, 5 minutes. The cooking time, which is 10 minutes, and the servings in here. You could also customize this website below. Instead of this website, I'm going to change this into mywebsite.com as an example. Moving on the table of contents, you could also change some other details in here. And here, under this title page, I'm going to customize under the design and choose my own, for example, cookbook. Upon searching on it, it will show us in here a variety of result, and I'm going to choose, for instance, this kind of title. By clicking this one, just click the plus button. It will automatically be replaced, as you can see. We could also customize the name in here that represents the author, or you could also name or change the title of this cookbook depending on your preferences. And at this point, I'm going to enter here a sample of a punchline or even a quote. Instead of here, I'm going to enter healthy dish will be served. You could also input some other details depending on your preferences, or click this text and simply click the effects button if you want to make it bold, italic, or even add an effects which is outline, add a shadow on it, depending on your preferences. And as you can see, I'm currently entering here the outline for this text. You could also do the same process on the other in here. Now, as you can see, we have now successfully changed here a variety of details, including the image, the author name, and even some other kind of elements, text style, or even background in here. But at this point, if you're now done, you could also click the upload button in here to upload your own images from your computer files and any other details such as text in here to upload your own, and not just based on what this template already contains. And to start downloading it, we're going to also insert a blank page in here at this point, which contain the link where the customer can access this cookbook in here once they purchase in our Etsy. So to do that, I'm going to add here a heading at this point that showcase the kind of hyperlink. In here, I'm going to enter, for example, here's the link. So basically, when a customer click on it, they will automatically be directed on this page, or you can customize this one. So basically, after entering here, here's the link text, you could also add a hyperlink text or download first all of this file as a PDF, which is also the same kind of file type that has already in our guide on Etsy that has been selling, which is this one, PDF, as a digital file type. So you can use all of this as your info or your guide. From here, I'm going to simply copy the link and choose this can edit and click copy link and enter it under this text. By pasting it in here, just click done, and all you need to do is to simply change or customize this one. I'm going to enter here this cookbook cover, and here I'm going to simply change the location of this text, make it bold, change the color of here, and even add a simple logo or effects background on it instead of this outlined. I'm going to simply choose here this black. So this is basically what it looks like. Upon clicking the share button on the top right, come download this, which is only this current page, and click done. Upon downloading it, it will show you what the customer will see once they purchase our product, which is this one. So when they try to click this here's the link text, they will be directed in our Canva, where they can navigate this one, which is our cookbook with a corresponding template on it. And now to start selling it on Etsy, the first thing that we need to do is simply navigate to sign in as a shop for seller. So make sure to simply customize the shop manager or start selling on Etsy, in which you need to fill out the required information, which is the shop preferences, name your shop, and any other details required. You also need to input here also your preferred costs or prices, and even the description of it, the details, and even the images. But overall, that is just how you can sell a recipe book on Etsy. Thank you.